guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a unboxing of some PuraVida bracelets. I ordered these a month ago. Correction, I actually ordered these 3 weeks ago, so they didn't come in a month ago, so yeah. And they just arrived just in time for Christmas. I'm so excited for these. The bracelets come in this cute little bag, and on the bag it says PuraVida, and it has this little palm tree symbol. Got it open. Oh. Once you open the package, it's gonna look like that inside, and the little cards of the bracelets. Okay, so this is not a bracelet, but this is the stickers and info sheet, I think. It looks like this. Back is like this. You open it, it looks like that, and you open it up even more, it has this cute little map. All their packaging is really aesthetic, I really like it. And your stickers are over here. They give you a free sticker pack with each order. These are so cute. Little beach thing, a little palm tree, and then the PuraVida logo. I have this cute little rose thing. Also has the PuraVida logo, and then it's like really pink and kind of like a blush color. This is so cute. Little wave thing that says PuraVida on it. Okay, so the first thing I pick out is the Parkinson's foundation pack, which is so cute. It's blue and there's like little gold accents in it. So the pack was $32, which is a little pricey, but I know someone with Parkinson's and I really wanted to help donate to help the scientists and doctors research new ways to cure this disease. All of PuraVida's bracelets are adjustable with this adjustable band, so then you can adjust it to any size that you want. Also very waterproof. By the way, not sponsored. I just really like their bracelets. I ordered this for my cousin. Like really cute bracelets, and I didn't know what this pack was called, but it's called Anxiety and Depression Association of America. This pack, so I think it's the anxiety pack. Price was $32 as well. 5% of the $32 that I paid for both of these will go to that foundation. There's this little gem in the middle, and there's this cute like rustic green and this really pretty blue. So basic but so cute. Yeah, I just really like them. What I ordered from PuraVida was the anxiety pack and the Parkinson's pack, and I really recommend that you buy from them. Link down below in the description. I'm not sponsored, I promise you. Wouldn't mind if you sponsor me. Thanks for watching, and I hope you check out some of my other videos, such as the vlogs up there, and I'll do some more unboxing videos soon if you like this video. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a like, and comment down below a tropical beach emoji. Thanks for watching.